Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to know the MAC address of your iPhone. First, open the Settings application on your device. Once in Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on General. This section holds important device information. After tapping General, you will see an option called About. Tap on About to proceed to the next step, where we will find the specific address we are looking for. Now that you are in the About section, scroll down until you see a field labeled Wi-Fi address. This unique alphanumeric string is your iPhone's Media Access Control, or MAC, address. It is a 12-character identifier, often displayed in 6 pairs of 2 characters separated by colons. You can note this address down for various network configurations or for troubleshooting connectivity issues. It is important to understand that modern iPhones utilize a privacy feature called Private Wi-Fi Address. This means your device generates a unique, random MAC address for each Wi-Fi network you connect to. This clever design helps prevent network operators from tracking your device's activity across various locations. It is a default setting designed to enhance your personal privacy. If a specific network requires your iPhone's true hardware MAC address, you can disable the private address. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and tap the small I icon next to the network name. Here, you will find a toggle for Private Wi-Fi address. Simply switch this off. Your iPhone will then use its consistent, physical MAC address for that particular network connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.